Welcome to Maths World. Andhra Pradesh and Telangana State 10th class mathematics subject in the 11th chapter trigonometry, exercise 11.1. And I start this chapter with a small introduction, and this introduction is very much useful throughout the chapter. So please be very much thorough with this introduction. Now see this image. What is this? This is a triangle A, B, C. This is a right angle triangle ABC. How can we call a triangle as a right angle triangle? If any angle is 90 degrees, here angle B is 90 degrees. If any one of the angle is 90 degrees, then we can call the triangle as right angle triangle. So this is a right angle triangle ABC. And how many sides are there? In this triangle, there are 3 sides. What are they? The first side is AB, the second side is BC, and the third side is AC. There are 3 sides, AB, BC, AC. And how many angles are there? There are 3 angles. What are they? Angle A, angle B, angle C. There are 3 angles, angle A, angle B, and angle C. So from the image, from this diagram, angle A and angle B is 90 degrees. Angle C is theta. Okay, coming to these 3 sides, AB, BC, and AC. What is the name of that sides? How can we call them? The side opposite to right angle is called as hypotenuse. The side, which side? AC. See here, this is the side AC. This side AC is opposite to right angle. So the side opposite to right angle is called as hypotenuse. AC is hypotenuse. The next one. Now coming to theta, that means angle C. The side opposite to angle C is called as opposite side, AB. AB is opposite to angle C, that means theta. So this side is called as opposite side. And next one, the side adjacent to theta, that means angle C, this one, beside. Adjacent means very side. The side adjacent to angle C, that means theta, is called as adjacent side, that is BC. And this is the most important in the total chapter. There are 3 sides. The side opposite to right angle is called as hypotenuse. And coming to theta, the side opposite to theta, angle C, is called as opposite side. The side adjacent, just means very side, beside. The side adjacent to angle C, theta, is called as adjacent side. So AB is the opposite side, BC is the adjacent side, and AC is the hypotenuse. Now the ratios in a right angle triangle. What are the ratios? And this topic is very, 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 very important. And without understanding this topic, we cannot do a single problem in trigonometry. That much important. So listen carefully. So just remember 3 words. What are the ratios in a right angle triangle? Just remember 3 words. The first one, SC. The second one, TC. The third one, SC. SC, TC, SC. So what is S, what is C, what is T, what is C, what is S, what is C? Sin theta, C for cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, secant theta, cosecant theta. These are the ratios. So what is sin theta? The first one is, what is sin theta? Here theta means we are talking about theta, that angle is C. So what is sin C? What is the formula for finding sin C? And in the starting I just explained clearly, the side which is opposite to the right angle 90 degrees is called as hypotenuse. So AC is the hypotenuse. The side opposite to theta, angle theta, is this is AB. This is opposite side. The side adjacent to theta is BC. So AC is the hypotenuse, AB is the opposite side, BC is the adjacent side. So sin C is equal to opposite side divided by hypotenuse. What is the opposite side? AB is the opposite side divided by hypotenuse is AC. So opposite side by hypotenuse is equal to AB by AC. Okay, you got it? Sin C is completed. Then cos C. What is cos C? Cos C is equal to adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. Cos C is equal to adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. What is adjacent side? BC divided by AC. So this portion is completed. S is sin C. Sin C is equal to opposite side to the theta. We are talking about C, that is theta. So opposite to C, what is opposite? Opposite side divided by hypotenuse. So AB divided by AC, and cos C is equal to adjacent side divided by hypotenuse, that is BC divided by AC. Now come to TC. What is T? What is C? T for tan theta, C for cot theta. So tan theta is equal to, that means tan C, we are talking about C, tan C is equal to, tan C is equal to sin C by cos C. Sin C by cos C. So what is the value of sin C? Opposite side by hypotenuse. What is the value of cos C? Adjacent side by hypotenuse. So simply substitute the formula, in the formula. So C is equal to sin C divided by cos C, that is equal to, sin C is opposite side by hypotenuse divided by cos C is adjacent side by hypotenuse. So in the numerator hypotenuse, in the denominator hypotenuse will be cancelled. The remaining, that is equal to opposite side divided by adjacent side. So from the diagram triangle image, what is the opposite side? Already told. Opposite side is AB. Adjacent side is BC. So tan C is equal to opposite side by adjacent side, that is equal to AB by BC. So in TC, tan C is complete. Now C, cot C. What is cot C? So tan C is sin by cos. So cot C is equal to cos by sin. So cot C is equal to cos C by sin C. And from above we have the values. Cos C is adjacent side by hypotenuse. Sin C is opposite side by hypotenuse. Just simply substitute those values. So cot C is equal to cos C by sin C, that is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse divided by opposite side by hypotenuse. So in the numerator hypotenuse, in the denominator hypotenuse, both will be cancelled. So the remaining adjacent side divided by opposite side. So cot C is equal to cos C by sin C, that is equal to adjacent side by opposite side. So from the diagram, from the triangle image, what is the adjacent side? Already I told adjacent to theta. Adjacent side is BC, opposite AB. So that is equal to BC divided by AB. sin C, cos C. This one completed. TC, tan C, cot C. This one completed. Now SC again. But these two are completed. Sinu, cosu, tanu, cot completed. Now SC. So S for secant, C for cosecant. What is secant C? Secant C is equal to 1 by cos C. And I already told cos C value is adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. So simply substitute 1 by cos C is equal to 1 divided by adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. So the denominator portion will become reciprocal. So that is equal to hypotenuse divided by adjacent side. What is the hypotenuse? AC. Adjacent side is BC. So that is equal to AC divided by BC. Secant C is equal to 1 by cos C, that is equal to AC divided by BC. Now cosecant C. What is the value of cosecant C? Cosecant C is equal to 1 by S sin C. Cosecant C is equal to 1 by sin C. And we know the value of sin C is equal to opposite side divided by hypotenuse. Simply substitute, that is equal to 1 divided by, in the place of sin C, simply substitute 1 divided by opposite side divided by hypotenuse. So the denominator portion will becomes reciprocal. That is equal to hypotenuse divided by opposite side. What is the value of hypotenuse? AC. Opposite side is AB. That is equal to AC by AB. So cosecant C is equal to 1 by sin C is equal to AC by AB. So SC, the ratios in a right angle triangle, SC, TC, SC, sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, secant theta and cosecant theta. For further videos, please subscribe Maths World YouTube channel. All the best.